whatever drove him to hurt people. And getting closer to you, the one thing I know is I don't want my darkness to overtake you, including your dad. Do you hate him for what he did to your dad? That it's inside me, too.
All you see is the darkness. All I see is someone who, despite everything that's happened to her, fought.
I walk the halls invisibly. I climb the walls. No one
A window of light in the dark.
Please,
Archie, don't quit on me now.
And that's what I'll be.
You've always loved
That time we ordered sea monkeys from comic book was fun. This Family Robinson?
Yeah, it's this old read-along record we used to listen to when we were like 5.
And you ran into the house, grabbed a shoebox, made a nest out of newspaper. If I tell you that this is crazy and dangerous.
Stop this crazy regimen that you're on.
I can't. Betty, you're still gonna go through it?
When do we kick their asses?
You know, sometimes I wonder. Just missing you a lot.
I'm so proud of you.
My dad loved being a young dad. Why am I still here in Riverdale? I mean, he talked about it all the time. But then something always reminds me. But I'm all in now. Time for a completely fresh start. I want to raise a family here. That's what I'm fighting for.
Archie, you and I should make sense. The all-American boy.
Not unless you want me to break both your arms. Wouldn't mind breaking a few bones, though.
You'll do it too. Like all next door. Afterwards, I was just
Everything feels wrong.
different. Psychically dismembered.
You're not dismembered. But I trust you.
Get in the coffin or I shoot her in the head.
You shielded me.
Right now!
Betty is my life. Bonnie, I wrote that song for Betty.
Song? What are you singing about?
It's a song I wrote for you. The song that you found and sang at the speakeasy. It was for Betty.
It's about following your heart, right? What does your heart say?
I love you, Betty. Follow your heart.
I love you too, Archie.